Managing your objectives. Once you have added one or more objectives, you can now start to manage each objective and capture your progress towards successfully completing them. For each objective, you can edit the main objective, define key tasks for the objective, add progress updates, and gather feedback from others. Click on the objective to access these options. Editing objectives. Select the objective you wish to amend and click Edit Objective. You can now make any relevant changes. If the change you have made affects the fundamentals of the objective, you should send the objective for reapproval. If the change is minor, for example a spelling correction, you do not need to send the objective for approval. If you're not sure if the objective should be sent for reapproval, discuss this with your lead reviewer. Adding tasks and completing tasks. Once you have added your objectives, you can start planning the tasks required to achieve each objective. By breaking down your objective into the 4 or 5 key steps involved in achieving it, you are more likely to achieve your objective. Having key tasks in place helps you track your progress towards an objective. To add a task, click on the relevant objective and click Add Task. Describe the task you are adding. It's helpful to remember that objectives describe what you will ultimately achieve. Tasks are a definition of how you will achieve those objectives. For example, the key actions and steps that you need to take. Your list should always be a key task list, rather than a list of standard everyday or weekly activities. Add a priority for this task. Tasks listed under your objective will appear in priority order, showing any tasks that you have categorized as high priority at the top of your list. Add a due date for the task and any costs associated with the task. Press Save and the task will appear under its associated objective. You can now use the tasks as a checklist to track your progress towards your objective by checking the tasks as complete when you achieve them. You can check your tasks weekly, fortnightly, or monthly and update your task list accordingly. When you complete tasks, you will also have the opportunity to add a separate progress update. Updates are used to provide key information about your objective and demonstrate measurable progress against the overarching objective. When drafting a progress update, you can move the progress wheel to show how much you have achieved. It's important to remember that checking off tasks alone will not move your progress wheel. You need to enter a progress update as well to do so. Adding progress and spinning the progress wheel. While tasks serve as an important checklist that defines how you plan to achieve an objective, they're normally defined when you create your objective. Progress updates are used throughout the year to capture your successes, achievements, and milestones, the things which have moved you forward in the achievement of your objectives. Progress updates should not be used to record day-to-day activities, but rather to show the significant progress you have made. When you achieve something significant in the pursuance of an objective, capture that in the moment by adding a progress update. To do this, select the relevant objective, click Add Progress, and enter your progress update. If you have a defined measure on this objective, that measure will be displayed as your target. Add your progress against this target in the change box, and your current position or progress will be calculated for you. If the objective does not have a measure, you can still record your progress by selecting the percentage complete, using your own judgment as to how far along a particular achievement has moved you toward completion of the objective. Add the status of the objective from the drop-down list. This shows if your objective is on track, caution, or at risk. You're also able to choose a privacy setting for your update. This feature allows you to capture your progress and share it around the firm, or restrict sensitive progress updates from appearing to anyone other than you or your lead reviewer. Click Save, and the progress update now appears underneath the objective and on the home page. In both places, visibility to others depends on the privacy setting for the update. As with tasks, you can log in and post updates weekly, fortnightly, or monthly as appropriate. If you would like to edit a progress update, click on the text of the update to open it in an editable format. All progress updates you enter will be automatically pulled into your performance review form on Objective Manager at the end of the review period. So if you make regular and timely progress updates throughout the year, you can significantly decrease the time needed to complete your review form at the end of the period. At Objective Manager, we tailor our product specifically to meet your firm's needs, giving each of our clients a solution that is unique to any other. This means that some of the settings included within these videos may not apply to your firm or may have been renamed to align with firm-wide language.